can't take my eyes off, can't take my eyes off, can't take my eyes off, can't take my eyes off. You got devotion, dance in slow motion. My eyes can't help looking at you right now. So much emotion, just pick your poison. Is every move you make even allowed? Can't get enough. I tried my best to look away, but I can't stop. Am I a freak to you? We almost touch. I feel your body move my way, you're close enough. So I say, can't take my eyes on you. You were all I see. Can't take my eyes on you. You know what I mean.
What's up, you guys? Today is part 2 of me decluttering and organizing Riley's closet. If you guys missed part 1, I will have that linked up in the cards as well as down below for you. I went through all of her clothes, all of the bins up at the top. I was able to see what items we can actually donate to the Goodwill and also what items I actually still need to purchase for her. I moved around her closet a bit, brought some new things into the closet as you guys can see. So we definitely got a lot done in that video, and today I'm going to be tackling these 2 white dresser drawers in her closet. They are both from IKEA. I get asked about it all the time. I will have those linked down below for you guys as well, but it is jam-packed with a bunch of crafts, random hair stuff, and literally every drawer is a hot mess. So it's definitely time for me to go through everything. So I'm starting off with all of her hair accessories. There were a bunch of smaller bows from when she was a baby, and now that she has a full head of curly hair, which I absolutely love, it's definitely time to get rid of those smaller bows just because they're way too small for her hair. So I'm going through everything, her beads and all of that stuff, seeing what I can actually donate and what needs to be thrown away. And then I'm going to slowly start to work my way through every single one of these drawers. So today's video is jam-packed with some more decluttering and organizing, which I know you guys love. So make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's get started.
I got this feeling like it's starting now, starting now. I feel adventurous with you.
This is the next day, but as you can see, Riley is literally wearing the same exact outfit. She is a girl who knows what she wants. So when she finds an outfit, most likely a dress that she loves, she likes wearing it multiple days. So I can definitely relate, because there are definitely times when I think my outfit is cute and nobody really saw me because I was in the house, and I will wear it again the next day too.
Yeah, baby, if you are feeling like I do, we could run away across the ocean. Baby, what you say? We can leave today. Anywhere we'll go, we'll be alright. It's all about you. It's all about you. It's all about you. It's all about you.
So I'm working my way down the dresser and going through all of her socks, and then also some underwear. There were some underwears that, you know, were a little bit older and needed to be thrown out. And then it started to get me thinking that I might as well start to put some of her pants and tops and things like that also in this dresser drawer. This way I can take them out of the closet. So I'm going to end up doing that a little bit later on in the video. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Nia and I'm a married working mom with a 4-year-old little girl named Riley. And my channel is dedicated to inspiring and motivating everyday busy moms by sharing cleaning, organization, and homemaking videos to help you find balance and make life easier. Please consider subscribing. I would love to have you. And also make sure to introduce yourself in the comments so I can personally say hi. I was really excited about finally tackling this mess and getting these drawers all organized. And Riley was really excited because she found so many new crafts and different things that I had in the dresser drawers. Half of the stuff I forgot that I even had, but she was so excited finding new things and playing with them and all of that stuff. We definitely need to start doing more crafts around the house because she absolutely loves it.
Won't you come over? Let me get to know ya. Hey, nah, 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 nah. Delve into emotion. Leave us in this moment. Yeah. come over, let me get to know ya. Hey, nah, 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 nah. Delve into emotion, leave us in this moment. Wake up, baby, all the stars are shining bright. Yeah, we should stay up so that we can look at them all night. Just keep holding me, don't let me go. Everything's so magical. All I need is you tonight. If I shut my eyes, keeping them closed, all the senses explodes. You and me under the sky. Let's stay up all night, give our hearts a new beginning. When we fell in love, every second, every minute, we were high on life. Didn't waste our time, didn't sleep as much as now. Let's stay up all
Now that we have the drawers all organized, I'm now coming over here and trying to tackle her play area and her table and all that kind of stuff. It's basically just been a place where we literally just throw anything into the bins. We absolutely love this table. It is from IKEA. And then on the other side where the bins are, I actually had put in her sensory bin that I had made, back in February for Valentine's Day, and she was playing with that, so I also need to put all of the rice and stuff away.
didn't waste our time, didn't sleep as much as now. Let's stay up all
All right, so after day 2, this is all that I am giving away. There wasn't much clothes in that drawer, so I'm giving all these like hair bows away, socks, and then these pair of stockings. There's 2 bags worth of garbage. I have to thoroughly clean that out, so I'm going to probably put that in the sink. All of the paint is dry, and then there are actually these bins over here that we had like clothes and stuff like that in. So I need to just put those down so I can actually like fold them up and then put them away somewhere. And then I do still need to put these 2 bins up at the top and kind of just get this section of the closet organized. I did forget to mention that I probably mentioned it earlier in a voiceover part. I did put the longer one across the top, and then I'm gonna take these shelves out and put them somewhere so we can basically just get clothes all the way over across the top. And then I do just need to like wipe all this stuff down. There's like shoes and things like that in the corner, nothing too crazy. I'll probably take a look at that stuff, but for the most part everything is good and organized. Let me show you guys the after. Oops. Let me show you guys the after of the drawer. Don't mind, the vacuum just fell. So this is all of her hair bows. I was able to get a good amount, get rid of a good amount. And then this is all just like regular stuff, stuff from school. Also I put some like crayons, things like that in there. And in here is like underwear, socks, stockings that was there before. And then what I decided to do was actually put her shorts, pants, and tank tops. That was all that was in there. Down at the bottom is basically like my wig stuff, nothing crazy. And then in here on this side is basically going to be all craft stuff. So all of her craft stuff. I actually ended up finding a fire stick, or not fire stick, a fire tablet, Amazon Fire tablet.
I like that.
Yeah. And then this is all just like random crafts and things like that that I had. I tried to organize it as best as I could. Here is all of our nail stuff. And then this drawer is all of my like random fabrics and things like that. Sometimes she asks to make the most randomest stuff, so we have fun with this stuff. And then down at the bottom is actually just a free drawer. So I will probably put some more stuff in here. I'm not quite sure what to put in here yet, but we will figure it out. I really enjoyed the way her closet turned out. Everything is all neat and organized, and I do have a list of items that I need to purchase for her for the fall and winter season. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it to be motivating. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you guys right back here with another video. Bye.